Hey future millionaires! My name is Isabella and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business. I've built inventory-based e-commerce stores, dropshipping stores, print-on-demand stores, and social media-centered businesses. And I have over 10 years of experience in making money online. Today I'm gonna break down the business model that is the best route to go in as a beginner, where you can get your feet wet in e-commerce without spending tons of money up front or making a big long-term commitment. Over 2.6 billion people worldwide shop online, which is 33% of the global population, and this number increases year by year with no signs of slowing down. With all the new tools coming out, plus the advancements and the power of AI, starting your own e-commerce store and getting a piece of this $62 billion pie has become more possible now than ever before. It's never been an easier or better time to start an online business. You can clearly see the current state of the job market has become a joke. In today's times, you almost need to have your own income streams of some kind. And this is your way in. Especially because you can start this business model on the side, no matter how busy you are or what you are doing in your life currently. You can also start this business model with little to no money. And the fact that this online business model can change your life financially just like it did mine, it's really a no-brainer. Tons of people are starting this after watching my YouTube channel and trying it themselves. And if they can do it and be making 6 figures after simply just watching some of my YouTube videos and trying things themselves, why can't you? People that are brand new to e-commerce are starting what's called niche stores. These are online stores where you go and find products online at a discounted price and then resell those products at a higher price to make a profit. And the best part is that there's actually tools out there that can help you to find these products that you can sell and will handle all of your own fulfillment and ship these products directly to the buyer for you. So you don't have to actually worry about buying and holding and storing and shipping this physical inventory yourself. When you start any business, the goal should always be to start at a low risk, time freedom, and location freedom. With this business model, there's very little risk, but a lot of upside potential. And even me, when I first started making money online when I was just 16 years old, this was my way into online business. And really what opened the door for me to online business and expanding to what it is today as well. You get these products for cheap, you set up a simple e-commerce store and sell these products in your store for a marked up price. And you guys already know, I don't just talk about these ways to make money online just to try to sell you courses on them. I actually show you how to start. So let's do it. There are free tools out here right now that can fully build and optimize your e-commerce store for you using only AI. Tools like this have never existed before. You used to have to build your own e-commerce store from scratch. So to start this, right now, I put the link in my description box down below for you guys, where you can get your own online store built for you using AI completely free. Click that link and within minutes, this free tool automatically creates a fully functioning custom e-commerce store for you using AI. It will take you less than 10 minutes to complete this, and the system even walks you through it step by step. People were really out here charging thousands of dollars for this. But you guys know, I got you. So first step done. You now have your online store ready to go. But even though this store is going to come packed for you with winning products that are doing good in the market right now, I want to show you another method of finding products to sell to add to this store. So if you have a certain vision for a type of product that you want to sell, this is how you're going to do it. There's one of 2 ways of doing this. And personally, one of the best systems that I've used for the past year now is called AutoDS. I'm going to show you everything right now, just so you can see it to see if it's worth it for you. So right here, there's 3 main product research sections that they have that I use for my own product research, which is the Handpicked Products tab, the Ad Spy, and Trending Products. The Handpicked Products tab here is where you can find all these different products that AutoDS has on their website. You can see that they have different categories here too. So you can narrow down this search by country, price range, category, and they also have this fast shipping button, which you can see these products literally have shipment times of only 2 days. I also noticed that they do update this like literally every single day, so you constantly can check on this and just see different products that are added. And when you pull up a product that you're interested in, you can scroll down here and you get to see all the data, which gives you insight on how to actually price your products on your website and even shows you what the profit of the product is, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now. The spy tool here is called the Ad Spy, which is a tool that allows you to oversee ads that are active right now on TikTok and Facebook. So you can get all the insights on that here. And you can even search something here like TikTok made me buy it in the search box and other useful terms if you want to see specific niche types or different products. Another key component of this platform is AutoDS also automates your entire online store for you. So once you get a sale, your supplier is going to ship that product straight to the buyer and you don't have to do anything yourself. Like you can do this completely hands off and you're able to fully set this up through AutoDS. Now, here's method number 2 of finding winning products to sell that you can also add to this online store. So there's actually this feature that's built into Amazon. And even though you are not going to be selling on Amazon because the profit margins will be ruined, you can still spy on different competitors through Amazon's platform. So if you go to Amazon.com, click up here on bestsellers, then click movers and shakers, which usually is more trending and unique products here. And then we manually go through these. If you click on one of these products, Amazon will actually show you how many people purchased this specific product in the past month. So for example, look at this deep tissue massager product. It has over 30,000 sales in the past month, and at $40, this means that the seller is earning over $1 million in sales per month. So we can clearly see that we found a great product that's making a lot of money each month. So then at this point, head back into AutoDS to find a manufacturer that then sells this product or a similar product. So we can head back into AutoDS and just search for deep tissue massage to see if we can find a similar product. And look, here's a few of them right here. So let's click on this product on AutoDS. And this product costs around $30, including fast shipping through the supplier. If you search Google for this product, you can see on average, it's being sold between $70 to $200. So we can add our own custom branding through AutoDS for this product and easily sell this in our own store for $70 and make $40 profit on every single sale. But instead of selling on Amazon and for Amazon to be taking 45% of your profit, you are gonna sell this product in your own online store, which AI just set up for you, and then keep 100% of your profit. And you can see here, if you go back to where we searched for this massage product and you scroll down, it shows you so many more related products that you can sell in your own online store. So this is how we're really gonna be able to build and brand our niche store. So this one is perfect to add also because you can see here it has 2-day shipping time and it's also something that we can sell for a much higher price that directly relates to the first product that we're selling. So we found our products and we got AI to build our store for us. And the only thing left to do is now import any other products that you want to add into this store. And you can literally do this with one click of a button. It's just going here and clicking on this import button, then heading over to my product and clicking on review and publish. And after making just a few adjustments to customize this further, we are now left with a fully functioning e-commerce store that's optimized for us to get started and start getting sales. And all of this was possible thanks to the power of AI and platforms like AutoDS. Now, to be 100% honest, AutoDS is not a free platform, but in my opinion, it's a very small price to pay for the massive upside potential for us to make money with this. So I actually reached out to AutoDS and I asked them if they could give you guys access to this tool for free or at least for super cheap. And to my surprise, they actually responded to me and agreed to give you access for 1 month completely free using the link that I put down in my description box below for you guys. And I know you guys probably have tons of questions about this online business model that I didn't cover in this video. So I got you. I created an entire 1-hour free course taking you step by step exactly how to start this, all the way to then helping you get your first sale. So I also linked this 100% free course for you guys also down in my description box below. And of course, you can also find it on my YouTube channel in my 100% free courses playlist. Because of course, this is all for nothing if you do not have a plan in place to start marketing and getting sales in this online store. Nobody ever talks about getting sales. They just tell you to buy ads and do stupid stuff because they don't actually know. And thanks to the power of social media and the free traffic that we have access to, you no longer have to spend thousands of dollars in ads to actually get sales. Again, I do not recommend ever buying ads for your online store, and the only people that really do recommend it is 1, they don't care about your pockets, or 2, they actually don't even know how to market themselves and organically grow their businesses. Again, make sure you watch my 1-hour free course on this topic because I have an entire section dedicated just to how to market this online store. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is smash that like button if you haven't already and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. You can also join Baddies in Business Club, which is dedicated to helping you organically grow your business. I do weekly live calls with all of my VIP members, 2 new classes every single week, content strategies, and so much more. I work with all of our VIP members one-on-one. The link to join Baddies in Business Club is linked in my description box below and in the top comment as well. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz for more business inspiration and updates. And wishing you all the best with your online business journeys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.